If you had just 1 minute to breathe, and they granted you one final wish, would you ask for something like another chance? Or something similar as this? Don't worry too much, it'll happen to you. As sure as your sorrows, your joys. But the thing that disturbed you is only the sound of a love